Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Display section. In it, scroll down again and tap on Text Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, click on the back button and as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!